Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then sure, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as I speak right now, as of the recording of this video, the wheels have pretty much fallen off the bus right now. For those of you that watched the video I did on Tuesday, I talked about that trend line there. It kind of just says something where, the price is slowly working its way upwards. So let's just keep an eye on that. And then you can see within the past 4 hours, the price not only went down and visited that line, but after it fell below it, that's where the floodgates opened up. So as of now, like I said, very, very bearish. And that brings about the first question that you're going to want to ask yourself. So let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one is all about this 9,500 mark down there at the green line. And the question being nothing fancy other than just where's the price at relative to that green line right there, meaning is the price still up above 9,500? If you're answering yes, the question is still up above there, then that's that's a good sign. It's a good step in the right direction. Sure, that means the price could have fallen down a little bit more, but if you look at it the other side of things in terms of, well, actually, Clay, the price is down below 9,500. Well, at that point, that would imply that not only has the price continued to fall to here, but now all of a sudden it's down below there. Now there is a little bit of gut instincts, common sense that comes into play. Meaning if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is at 9,400, don't get me wrong, that's not good. The price is broken down below 9,500. But if you're answering the question, the price is way down there at 9,000, well, at that point, that is telling you that the current movement that we're witnessing at the recording of the video has just gained that much more power. So from that angle, gut instincts, common sense goes a long way. But definitely, preferably speaking, you want to be answering the question that the price is still up above 9,500. But again, if it is not, then how far down below 9,500, that's going to dictate just how bearish any sort of continuation is. On the flip side of things, really, now I'm debating, is it even worthwhile? I'll talk about it because I guess this is Bitcoin, so snappy movements are definitely possible. But from the resistance side of things, although I highly doubt it, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is all of a sudden up above this red line up here at 10,600, that would imply just a crazy movement of the price all of a sudden stabilizing and then skyrocketing back upwards, like I said. And that's why I kind of hesitated. I highly, highly doubt you're going to be answering the question that the price is up above 10,600. But again, it is Bitcoin, so I suppose you never know. But really, primary level going forward right now, especially given the current downwards momentum on all this volume, is can the price at least stay up above 9,500, or is a break of that coming? So I'm a little jealous of you that are watching this 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to have a better idea of what's happened here. But yeah, let's see how the next 24 hours play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.